At this point, you know how ionic compounds come together to bond. Metals give up electrons and nonmetals accept them. Both the metal and nonmetal take on specific charges and then come together. When they do, the charge of the cation and the anion must be equal in order to neutralize the overall charge on the compound. Covalent bonds are bonds where nonmetals share electrons. The sharing is not always equal, but it is still sharing nonetheless. Recall, positive ions are called cations, and negative ions are called anions. We name the metal plus nonmetal and add the suffix IDE, or "ide." When there are two or more cations for the same element, which is the case with transition metals, remember to use the charge of the metal in the naming. For example, iron 2